Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you a super relaxing after dark clean with me. I know that the after dark cleaning videos that I share are some of your favorites, so I hope you guys get some extreme cleaning motivation with this. And I'm also really excited because this video is a collaboration with my friend Kimberly from her channel Style Mom XO. Kimberly is actually the one who created the Power Hour. I'm sure that you guys are very familiar with that, but she is amazing at motivating you. She also started a super motivating series on her channel called The Ultimate Mom List. That's where she just goes ahead and gets everything done on her list that day. So if you guys are needing some motivation, I highly recommend you go check her out. I actually got to meet her in person this last fall, and she is just as sweet in person as she is in her videos, so I know that you guys are going to absolutely love her. She is also sharing an after dark clean with me today, so I will leave her video linked in the description box below. You guys have to go check her out, and when you do, let her know that Amanda sent you.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again.
So on this night, we just had a really busy night. I think Kyle was at work, and so the boys and I just didn't get everything done that we were planning on. And a lot of times when Kyle works nights, we don't totally do our cleaning routine at night. Sometimes we do, but I feel like a lot of times I just kind of end up spending the time with the boys. And when it comes time to go to bed, I'm just like, all right, let's go to bed. I'll go ahead and take care of this tonight, or we can all take care of it in the morning. But I definitely feel like I'm a little bit more relaxed when it's just me at home. Let me know if you guys are more relaxed when it's just you at home, or if you're more strict on those nights. That's just how it goes in my house a lot of times, but I don't really mind. I would much rather spend those times just me and the boys, just having some more one-on-one time with them, and then stay up an extra hour or something and tidy up the house. And I feel like that is just so much more important to me.
Love was made for me. Oh well. I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize.
I also wanted to mention, if you guys missed my video last week, I did share how I make this chore chart. You guys were very interested in that when I talked about it previously, so I did want to just let you know I will be linking that up above for you guys, and then I'll also leave it down in the description box as well, but you guys can totally check it out. And if you guys end up making that, be sure to tag me over on Instagram. I would love to see how yours turn out.
I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs.
Next, I'm just pulling apart some grapes and putting them into a bag. This is something I always like to do whenever I get grapes. I had bought these earlier in the day, and I just pulled them out whenever I was about to start cleaning, and that way I just wouldn't forget about it and I could have them ready to go for the rest of the week.
I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
It is time to put the hair up, and you guys know that means things are getting real. I feel like I used to clean with my hair down a lot, just because once I put my hair up, it's hard to kind of bring it back down. I feel like a lot of times it ends up having a little kink in it, so I try to kind of power through a lot and leave my hair down. But lately I've just been like, you know what, I'm gonna put this hair up and I'm just gonna make cleaning a little bit easier on myself, and even if I have my hair up the rest of the day, it's totally fine.
Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how.
I've mentioned this a lot of times before, but we always load our dishwasher at night, and then I run it at night and it is just ready to go in the morning, and it makes our day go so much smoother. And I did want to mention this magnet I got from a friend, and I do have the link for this dishwasher magnet down in the description box below, as well as a coupon code. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, you guys can save a little bit of money, and it's actually been really nice for our family because that way there's no question whether the dishes are clean or dirty.
You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you.
Next, I'm just kind of cleaning out my dish station. You guys have seen me do this a lot, and I usually do this about twice a week or so, and it just helps keep it nice and clean. I get all of these products from Grove Collaborative, and I do want to let you guys know they are sharing their spring collection right now, so I do have a new link down in the description box where you guys can get all of these products for free. You get the Mrs. Meyer's products in whatever spring scent you're wanting, and then you also get a Bubble Up dish brush as well as some walnut scrubber sponges. So I will leave that link for you guys down in the description box below in case if you want to check that out.
Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea.
So I did finally get my hands on some of the mint scent. I feel like last year I was a little bit iffy on this just because I wanted it to smell like the peppermint scent that you get around winter and Christmas time, and it does not smell like peppermint at all. It smells more like mint leaves, and it smells very, very fresh. So because of that, I was like, I don't know if I love this or not, but it has definitely grown on me, and because I'm not a big floral scent person, I really, really love this one. I feel like the other scents are probably a little bit too florally for me. I don't even know if that's a word, but we're gonna go with it. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the spring scents, and if you have, which one is your favorite? Are you guys team mint, team peony, or team lilac? Let me know.
Someone else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. And we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never
Moving on to the table, as you can see, it was a little bit dirty. Usually whenever Kyle's not home, we won't sit at the table. We always end up sitting up at the breakfast bar counter. So I feel like I almost have a different routine when Kyle is not at home. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing like a solo night routine with the boys when Kyle is not home, when it's just me and the kids. I feel like it's a little bit different than when he is home, but I actually haven't even shared a nighttime routine with the family in quite a while. So let me know if that is something that you guys are interested in seeing, and if so, I will try to put that in the schedule and make it happen.
Keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again.
Alright, you guys are ready for some more real life. This is how our fridge looks pretty much daily. If I'm good about it, it will be a daily task. If not, it happens every other day because with little ones, we have fingerprints all over our appliances, especially the fridge. But my very favorite thing to use on our appliances are these e-cloths. I have heard really good things about the N-Dust products, so I'm probably going to be trying those pretty soon. But you guys know that forever I have been using the e-cloths all-purpose cloth and the glass and polishing cloth, and it is like magic. It just gets everything off my fridge and makes it look spotless.
Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we.
The boys were actually not sleeping in their room. I know I've mentioned this before, but a lot of times they end up sleeping in the guest room together, which I know there will come a day when they don't want to sleep together anymore. So for now, unless if there's a good reason why they can't, they usually end up sleeping in there. And so because they weren't in their beds, I decided to go ahead and get a head start on bedding for the next day, and I just pulled all of their bedding off and got it put in the washer.
I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah.
My hack, if you have stairs, is go ahead and just drop the clothes or drop the dirty laundry down the stairs like this. It's a little bit fun and it's definitely a lot less work.
I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
So here is a quick sneak peek to some behind the scenes on making over our laundry room. I know I had mentioned this in my Target haul recently. I will link that up here if you guys haven't seen it. They had a ton of cute things, but I am seriously so excited to see how this is going to turn out. This is just the beginning of it, but I am so excited. I think it's going to be so cute.
And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Normally I would go ahead in with my Dyson and just vacuum all of our floors, even if it is after dark, but because this one was so late, I think it was around 11 o'clock when I was cleaning on this night, I didn't want to wake anybody up, and so I went ahead and just swept on this night. And then once I was done sweeping, I just wanted to do a quick mop, so I am using my very favorite mop, and that is my E-Cloth Aqua Spray Mop. I do have a steam mop still that I use sometimes, but honestly, a lot of times anymore, I just go for the easier option. I love this mop so much, and it just makes mopping so easy, which for me is perfect because I kind of hate this chore a lot. I don't really know what it is, but there's something about it that I just don't like. Let me know in the comments what your very least favorite chore is.
Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more.
Let me know if you guys like to clean at night. I feel like it's so relaxing. I'm not getting bothered all the time for something from the kids. I feel like there's just no distractions, so cleaning at night is definitely one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this After Dark clean with me, and I hope you guys found it super relaxing. I loved the songs that I found for this one, so I hope that you guys found it as relaxing and enjoyable as I did, and I hope you guys got some amazing cleaning motivation. Do not forget to head over to Kimberly's channel and check out her video, and don't forget to leave her a comment and let her know that I sent you. I would so appreciate you guys doing that. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also head over to Instagram and follow me over there. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I am being more active on my blog lately, so I would love for you guys to check that out as well. And I will see you guys in my next one.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise.